Hello guys, welcome back in Technology Welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial how you will make compatible any apps and application if any apps and application is not compatible with your device. For example, if you happen to use an iPhone 4S or less than iOS 9.3.6 version, in the situation how you will install, how you will download any apps and application that you have been using in your daily life. For example, let's say YouTube, WhatsApp, how you will download it. Because of, if I go in an app store and I download here, I click on a download, it's saying that we are unable to purchase it. Why so? Because of we are unable to download it because of not compatible with this device. So in those situations, this iOS is not going to compete with this application, so that we are unable to download it. But if I bypass, if I download it or install in this device, then of course it will be a fully functional. So how you will download it? For it guys, just you need to click here on this update option. So let me click here. Now see guys, here all the apps and applications that we had been using, of course these all will be listed here. So just I will request here YouTube, and see, don't click on here, otherwise you will be able to get the same problem. So suppose if I clicked here and I'm going to download it, so now definitely we will be able to not download or purchase. So for it, we need to back it once again, and we need to click on here this arrow to a download. So let's try. So finally see guys, it has started to give a option to a download. So I will click on here to download. So I hope it will start to a download. So now see guys, here it has started to download. Similar strategy will, if I download WhatsApp by clicking here, directly we will be able to download. Of course I needed to download. Let's come in a menu. Now see guys, here YouTube has started to install here and WhatsApp is waiting. So after completing of this application, this will be started to. So guys, this is for us, but of course we are unable to make a compatible or functional of this apps and application. So by this strategy, of course we can. So every problem has a solution, but we need to address by proper solution. So by virtue of the proper solution guys. So this is all about in this video tutorial. If it is acknowledgeable and informative, then please like, subscribe and share this content, because it might be beneficial who has genuinely needed such kind of the content. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time guys.